Although this video is unedited. I will be opening up a mystery box. Yeeyee mystery box. I don't think this is a box, but you know. How easy. It says my order on here, my paper. Got a nice CD shirt. Yeeyee. Came a long sleeve tee. Then yeeyee logo right there. Yeeyee. And it comes with a sticker. And then yeeyee apparel card on the back. It says Yeeyee Nation may not be related by blood, but we are bonded by shared passion for the outdoors and living life to its fullest. We all about the things you care about. A deer stand on a November morning, a firm handshake, a cold beer with old friends, the smell of cedar tree, wet dog, a spent cartridge, in a politically correct world. We're not afraid to stand up for what we believe in. Welcome to the family. Yeeyee. Welcome to the yeeyee nation. Yeeyee.